With tech becoming more and more accessible in South Africa, we see more and more affordable products with high-end specs. The Techno brand has launched the Tecno Spark 10 series, and this is the Tecno Spark 10 5G, and let's take a look at what's in the box. So firstly, the Techno box has the Tecno Spark 10 5G branding on the device. As you can see, it says that there's high-res audio, the 5G branding is there. This is a review unit, of course. So firstly, out of the box, you can see you've got your 6.6-inch HD display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, and then a 8 gigs of RAM, as well as 64 gigs of onboard memory or storage, 50 megapixel main sensor for your rear camera, as well as a 5000 milliamp hour battery. Now already on the sticker of the phone, you can see there's a free protective cover as well as free earphones, which you really don't get in the box with smartphones nowadays, especially with specs like this. And there's the Techno smartphone, absolutely beautiful. Let's put that over there. Now also you've got a gel cover, and as you can see, the gel cover is also really nice, and the borders are also quite thick, which of course adds that extra layer of protection, so that's always welcome. And then you get your charging adapter, your plug, your charging brick included in the box, and it's an 18-watt fast charger, which is of course super amazing and a great perk. Who doesn't love that? So just put that on the side. Then also in the box we've got your earphones, which is 3.5mm audio jack. Also very nice to have, because you don't get earphones in phones nowadays in the boxes, especially with such great specs. Nice little pods for earphones, in-ear earphones, and then you've got a USB Type-C to USB Type-A. The orange is just there to make sure that it has fast charging capabilities, so that's pretty awesome. And then on the side, as you can see, we've just got some ejecting tool, so that's pretty awesome. Now the Tecno Spark 10 5G costs just around 5,499 Rand, or that's at least at the launch price in July 2023. At the moment you get specials on like Takealot and so many of the websites that's available and in the stores for around 4,800 Rand, and with that you are going to get a banger of a phone, and then of course great unboxing experience. As you can see, the phone has a really premium finish, and I must say it feels much more expensive in the hand than what you actually might think. And I must also mention that I love the design, it's very unique. The camera is mounted on top of the rear of the phone, but also I like the way that they've kind of made it stand out with a big camera module, but at the same time it's very minimalistic. Even though there's this geometric kind of shapes or design, I am a very big fan of the phone, especially kind of going against the norms and everyone just following each other on trends. Now the phone runs on Android 13 out of the box, which is pretty awesome, and then also it runs on the iOS. So the iOS is of course the Techno user interface, and I must say it's very, very close to stock Android. At least for me, I think that it's quite nice. It's not very in your face, the experience, but you also get all your Google applications pre-installed, so that's of course very nice. And I think this is a great phone for anybody looking to purchase a phone with great specs, high-end quality hardware, great unboxing experience, but also not paying an arm or a leg for a great smartphone. As you can see here, some cool pics of Bowie, my cat, and they come out pretty crisp, clear, with a lot of detail when using the 50 megapixel camera. As you can see on the close shot of the roses, you can get a lot of detail as well on the 2x zoom camera. Also on selfies you get a lot of detail, especially of course on lighting dependent, but I think that's pretty decent selfies at 8 megapixel, as you can see. So that is the Tecno Spark 10 5G device. This is available here in South Africa, so hurry now to get a great unboxing experience. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the first look. Let me know your thoughts down below and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.